Is 10% ROI a good return on your investment? Well, let's have a look, shall we? So if I was to purchase a share in this particular stock, Johnson and Johnson, one of the royalty stocks of Wall Street trade market, right? Trading stocks, I would have been down by 4.35%. Okay. Now that, and then we'll look at overall growth, average growth for the past, for the past yeah, here we go. For the past 5 years, it's about 10%, right? So say 9.96. So a return on investment is about 13.3%. Obviously, if I kept it there, well, according to that chart, it would be lost. But it's predicted to get you, it's predicted to get you a profit of about 10% ROI over a period of a year if you were to just leave it there, basically, right? That's probably including the dividend payout here as well. Okay. Which is good. So I'm thinking is, why don't I just take that 10% now within say day, or not day, it normally takes about a week or month, normally a couple of weeks anyway. So why don't I take that 10% ROI within a couple of weeks and then reinvest it in something else and then make another 10% of that? And that's my theory behind, that's my thinking behind it. That's my trading strategy, rather, I should say, for the time being. And like I said, for now, it's working. So I'll keep to it. I'm able to, like I said, make about 10% ROI or 8 to 10% ROI every 3 weeks, basically, which is, or 4 weeks, let's just say. So it's not a bad return, is it? So yeah, strategy is really important, but I'm not doing swing trade. I'm just simply trading using the Trading212 app and using my ISA account. So using my ISA account, I'm just using my money that I already have. I'm just, recycling, not recycling. Well, yeah, kind of recycling the money really to buy more stocks with the profit that I have, and just keep, and that way I'm just growing the profit margin. So I've been trading for a month now, and in that process of a month, I've made about 200 and yeah, I made £250 profit basically. Let's just say, okay, just under £250 profit is what I made overall. But then some of my big stocks are still down quite a bit. When they go up, I should be able to make another £200 profit-ish. So look where we are now. So having sold a lot of my profitable stocks, I still got about £100 worth of profit there waiting in my system. So overall, the return hasn't been that bad really, considering I'm not doing this full time as such. More like just sort of with the baby on my hand and I'm trading basically.